Hi there, Plant Girl here. Today I decided I was going to put together a cute little succulent container using this simple little dollar store container. So I filled it with a soil mixture that has about 1/3 potting mix, 1/3 grit, and 1/3 perlite. And it's a little bit moistened, but not too wet. And I'm going to use a selection of different succulents that I have just around my house here, and then I have a little bit of stone I might finish it off with, and I have some brushes so if I get dirt on the succulents I can wipe it off, and I have my micro snips in case I want to do some trimming and take some smaller pieces, and a little popsicle stick so I can dig some holes and get some of these separated out of the soil they're in. So let's get started. So the first thing I thought I'd try was one of these bigger ones on the side here. I thought I could kind of do a drift alternating with these two larger guys here, and then I'll fill in around with some smaller ones to bring in more texture and color afterwards. I like how these both have a little bit of kind of a reddish pink tone to the tips of their leaves, but they have different shades of green on their actual leaf. So then let's go play with some jade. Again, it has some of that red tinge, but it's a little bit contrast in the leaf shape. Actually, I think I'll put this one back here. This one. This. Now I have these, and they're a little bit fuzzy, and I think they'd look nice tucked in just to give that next piece of contrast there. So let's see if we can get a couple of those out. Easiest way would just be to pull it apart a little bit. Go one on either side, tucked right back here. Put the soil in around them. And I'm going to take one and tuck it in back here just to bring that texture in to the back as well. like some string of pearls, I think, hanging out the side. Yeah, I think that green will bring in this green nicely on the side, so we'll bring that. I'll just stick a few hanging off here. I'm just setting these ends on the dirt. Most of them don't have roots. A little pinch of soil. Stick this for trailing over the side on this side. Pinch of soil in there. Okay, so the front looks good, so I just need to add a couple of things to the back, fill it in, and we'll be good to go here. I think we'll add one of these at the back on this side. Spill some of these out on this side here. So there, added a few little rocks around the edges just to give it a little finishing off and cover up the soil. Has some nice trailing, lots of different texture, but lots of that little red pinkish tinging to bring it all together. So I'm happy with that, and I think that would make a nice little gift. Housewarming gift, or if you were invited to a dinner party, something quick and easy you could throw together and take over as a hostess gift. So I hope you like seeing this little planter come together, and if you decide to try something like this, I'd love to hear about it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of it, and We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.